Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into an audio powerhouse, the RME ADI-2 DAC FS Ultra Fidelity PCM DSD DA converter, which comes in an incredible bundle with AKG K240 Studio Pro headphones and a 10-pack of straps. This isn't just a DAC, it's a complete high-fidelity listening station designed for those who demand nothing but the purest sound. The RME ADI-2 DAC FS itself is legendary in the audio world. It's a 2-channel digital-to-analog converter that handles both PCM and DSD signals with breathtaking precision. What does that mean for your ears? Imagine every nuance, every subtle detail in your music, brought to life with astonishing clarity and dynamic range. It transforms your digital audio files into an analog signal so pristine, it feels like you're hearing your favorite tracks for the very first time. The soundstage is expansive, the separation of instruments is impeccable, and the overall presentation is simply captivating. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile, a music producer, or just someone who truly appreciates high-quality sound, this converter sets an incredibly high bar. Connectivity is robust, featuring both USB and coaxial inputs, making it versatile enough to integrate into almost any setup, from a dedicated studio rig to a sophisticated home listening environment. Its ability to seamlessly switch between sources and deliver consistent, top-tier audio is a testament to RME's engineering prowess. Now, let's talk about the included AKG K240 Studio Pro headphones. This is a brilliant pairing. The K240s are renowned for their neutral, balanced sound signature and comfortable semi-open design, making them perfect for long listening sessions or critical monitoring. They allow the incredible detail and fidelity produced by the RME DAC to shine through without adding any coloration, giving you an honest and immersive audio experience. It's a match made in audio heaven, ensuring that the pristine signal from the DAC reaches your ears uncompromised. And as a thoughtful bonus, the bundle includes a 10-pack of straps. While seemingly simple, these are incredibly useful for cable management, keeping your setup tidy and organized, or even securing other accessories. It's a small but practical addition that shows attention to detail in creating a complete user experience. In essence, this RME ADI-2 DAC FS bundle with the AKG K240 Studio Pro headphones offers an unparalleled journey into high-fidelity audio. It's a system built for precision, clarity, and an utterly immersive listening experience, proving that true sound quality is an investment worth making.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.